to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Asian style scallops. Really nice little entree, this one. Let's get on with it. First thing I'm going to do is make up our little sauce. I've got a ramekin or a small bowl, depending on what you have. We don't need a lot of sauce. I'm going to use in a dash of agave syrup. It's going to keep things nice and sweet. Probably around about a teaspoon's worth. A little dollop of ginger paste that can go in, and that little bit of ginger is going to go a long way. A few grinds of freshly ground black pepper that can go straight into our little sauce, just like that. I'm going to add in a good dash of ketchup mayonnaise. It's going to give us another sweetness, and to cut that sweetness I'm going to use a little bit of fresh lime. That lime with the sweet is going to really work and make an incredible dressing for our scallops. Okay, give that a quick stir up. As you can see, it's a little bit of a thicker consistency to a normal vinaigrette. I'm going to taste that, make sure we're happy with it. I was ecstatic with it and absolutely ready to go for our next deal. I'll put the scallops on the shell. I'm just going to dislodge the scallop from the shell, just like I'm doing right there. And I just only really cook scallops and seafood when it's at a really good price. I could not turn down the price on this one. My barbecue's on, it's nice and hot. I've got a little bit of butter. I'm going to put a little bit of that butterage on there, and that butter with the richness of that is going to be cut with the salty and sweet and a little bit of acid from the lime. So I'm just going to put those straight down on top of the barbecue. These are not going to take a very long time at all. I'm going to let these cook for around about 90 seconds ish, right? And I can already see the smoke coming off those. I'm going to move those around in a second, give those a quick baste with the butter that has melted on our hot plate, and give that a flip. Yep, nice golden brown. We're ready to give those another turn and turn the hot plate off and let the residual heat just heat those scallops through on the other side. They don't take very long at all. You want to, if anything, undercook your scallop just a little bit. Right, we can take those straight off, no more heat, and we can get ready to plate up. I've already washed my scallop shells just with a bit of normal water straight out of the tap. We're going to lay our little scallops down, and all we have to do now is spoon over this beautiful rich sauce that we created. How easy was that? I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is so simple to do and it tastes great. Your friends and your family will love it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. More importantly, if you want to learn how to make a quick seafood entree or anything else that I do on this channel, I think we're getting close to 800 episodes in total. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to these amazing Asian style scallops, and I will catch you next time.